24 of them. I have 23 of these, and I just added that one, because why not? So now I have 24 boxes. And, oops, that did not zoom in the way I wanted it to. There we go. And today is the 1st. Isn't that right? Oh, look at her. I saw your face get all fluffy. This one's for Elvis. What I put in what? I think I have treats in box number 7. I don't remember. Elvis gets a new toy! Look, he's already interested in it. Oh, she wants it too. You can't have it yet. You are bird number 6. Sorry. You have to wait till what, Saturday? Saturday? Yes. But you get a new toy! And then Quinn gets one tomorrow. Yes. This is your new toy. Squiggles does not like it.